Okay, I think I'm ready.
Okay, let's go.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for having me. My name is Febi, and I'm from Neurafarm, a precision farming startup based in Bandung, Indonesia. Today, I'm going to start with telling you a story of a friend of mine. His name is Mr. Karya. Mr. Karya is a tomato chili farmer back in Bandung. And about a year ago, he noticed that there's something wrong with his tomato plants. Even with years of experience, unfortunately, he didn't manage to know what kind of the disease that affected his plants and didn't know what to do with them. And in the end, he experienced total crops failure and nearly went bankrupt that season. Sadly though, this doesn't only happen to Mr. Karya. Pest and crop disease is a global problem, and according to the Food and Agriculture Organizations of the United Nations, up to 40% of global yield is lost due to pest and crop disease. This is a huge problem and is an economical burden for farmers around the world. A rapid, accurate diagnosis of disease and its management will help to reduce crop yield losses, but the infrastructure is limited. With the rise of AI and the growing number of smartphone users around the world, now it's been possible to turn smartphone into a valuable tool for farmers to cope with this problem. This is where Dr. Tania comes into play. So ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you, Dr. Tania. So yeah, Dr. Tania is basically a chatbot-based mobile application that could help farmers to identify crop disease by leveraging artificial intelligence. It is really fast. It only takes seconds for her to identify crop disease. It is also accurate and scientific because it's backed by our researcher and we use deep learning technology. But the most important thing is it's easy to use without chatbot as its main interface so that the user won't be required to learn too much about it. All you need to do is to take a picture of a plant and send it to Dr. Tania, and she will give you a complete diagnosis along with the treatment recommendation and also proper products to treat the disease. The user can also learn more about the crop disease and also how to cultivate their plants by using the information we provided within our catalog. And this is how we make money. Basically, we employ a freemium model, and premium subscription fee will be our source of revenue. We also build sponsorship with agrochemical company so that they can put their product into our product recommendation system. And speaking of market potential, it's really huge. In Indonesia alone, we discovered about 7.8 million of farmers who have smartphone, and we targeted 15% of them, or 1.2 million of users. And we believe that Dr. Tania can stand out in the market because it gives you an automated end-to-end solution along with the product recommendations, and also it uses Bahasa Indonesia and an easy-to-use interface. So it will be lowering the barrier of adoption. And our strategy to grow our user base is by directly marketing our product into urban farmer community and also local farmers union in our country. We also established partnership with agriculture startups and also with the government, and we build sponsorship partnership with agrochemical company as well. Within 3 months of our soft launching, we already got a pretty good number. Dr. Tania now has been used in 35 of cities in Indonesia and also can identify more than 33 plant diseases. And we want more, so we plan to acquire 100,000 of users in the next 5 years and also adding more of our database so that Dr. Tania can identify more than 1,000 of plant disease. To do that, we need about 318,000 of US dollar. And with that money in hand, we believe that we can do more. Dr. Tania is only one step towards a precision agriculture solution that could be scaled and integrated with a more integrated system involving satellite imagery, drone, IoT, e-commerce, or even data analytics. And this is our financial projection for the next 5 years. This number could be bigger if, because there are several untapped potentials, such as data analytics that we can use for the government and also for the agrochemical company. We believe that we can do this because our team is diverse and we have amazing experience. Through the extensive network of the founding members, Neurafarm has and will continue to rely on the expertise of the experts so that we can remain successful and sustainable. Thank you.
Thank you very much for your